In 1986, the Chernobyl disaster left a scar on the Earth, yet nature's resilience shone through. By the 2000s, the exclusion zone became a haven for wildlife. Wolves, boars, and even rare Przewalski's horses thrived. How did life rebound so quickly? Without human interference, ecosystems found balance. The absence of people allowed nature to reclaim its territory. This unexpected revival challenges our understanding of recovery. Could this be a lesson in letting nature heal itself? Today, Chernobyl stands as a testament to nature's power to recover, reminding us of the delicate balance we must maintain.